Do you want to make the most out of your small balcony space? Welcome to the world of balcony gardening, a green oasis within your grasp. Even in a compact area, a diverse array of plants can thrive beautifully. Now, if you're wondering how to start, don't worry, we've got you covered. The first step to creating a balcony garden is planning. It's essential to consider factors such as sunlight, wind, and temperature. Your balcony might be a sun-drenched oasis or a shady retreat, and each condition demands different plants. Wind can be another invisible hurdle, as some plants may not withstand gusts. Temperature fluctuations, too, are crucial to note. Choose plants that thrive in your unique conditions. With the right plan, you can turn your balcony into a vibrant green space. Once you've got your plan, it's time to choose the right containers for your plants. From pots to hanging baskets, even vertical planters, there's a world of options. But don't forget, drainage holes are key to avoid waterlogging. Remember, the right container can make all the difference to your plant's growth. With your containers ready, it's time to get planting. Start by gently placing your seeds or seedlings into the soil, ensuring they're snug but not too deep. Watering is essential, but remember, too much can be as harmful as too little. Regular feeding with a suitable plant food will provide the nutrients your plants need to flourish. Don't forget to prune. It encourages new growth and keeps your plants looking their best. Proper care is key to a thriving balcony garden. And there you have it, your very own balcony garden. Savor the peace with your morning coffee or simply take a moment to breathe in the beauty. Remember, a small balcony doesn't mean you can't have a big harvest. So, are you ready to transform your balcony into a green oasis? Remember, planning, choosing the right containers, and proper plant care can lead to a bountiful harvest even in small spaces. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.